Welcome to my channel. My name is Salentia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. Today we're going to work on our last week of March Madness. So this has been crazy fun. So this collaboration was brought to you by I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, Jeanette's Journey, Make Money, Save Money, and also myself. And it's been so much fun. So much fun. I'm glad I was able to participate. I'm glad that I was able to be a part of this. Um, Seeing how much fun everybody's having playing this game. It got really competitive along the way. And I'm kind of excited to see what happens with April's collaboration. Okay, sorry. I'm cheesing. Like, I will say this. So there were 8 ladies in my group, right? And only 5 people have rolled numbers for me. So we're going to cash stuff this past week, week 3. I was chosen by 2 separate channels. One was $4 and then the other was $3. So I have actually 3 people, including myself, to roll my name this week. I was trying to get the lowest amount because my money was not lining up the way that I would have liked it to. And I still stand firm on that. This money is just for myself and my kiddos to, we're going to actually go to McDonald's or something like that, like get the $5 meal deal. That's what I told them once this money's saved. So there's that. Let me grab my highlighter. I think this is the one I was using. So we're going to stuff $4 and $3, giving us a total of $7 from week 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's go ahead and add it here. And then we can see. So our total so far is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. $21. So it's amazing, it's wonderful, it's awesome. We may be able to do something a lot more fun than McDonald's. My kids have been begging to go to another trampoline place because we don't go as often as we used to. The winners from last week, I will put them on the screen so that way you can see who it is. I didn't write it down because I'm lazy. But yes, once again, congratulations to the winners from the previous weeks, and I look forward to seeing who conquers it all. Who is the bad mama jamma in the group from March Madness? Let's see here. I have 2 ladies left. I did already Blessed Budgets by Abigail, Life with Mrs. V, Ms. B Crafts and Budgets, and Save with Rose, and then Tiny Budgets and Vita's Budgets. So I have left myself, Salentia Budgets, and She's Got It. So I won't cheat. Maybe I won't. Okay, let's roll for Salentia. Shake that dice real good. 1. Okay, just kidding. 5 for Salentia. Do you see that? This is why I was like really, really hopeful to get a 1, but maybe I should have rolled for She's Got It first. She better not. Maybe we can switch. Let's see. 6. Okay, that's good. I can live with that. I would have liked a 1. So, ladies, roll a 1 for me, please. Feel free to roll a 1. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put 5 here because that's what I rolled for myself. And that way I know that the other 2 ladies who have to roll and torture me, maybe they'll roll me a 1. We'll see. But I will be adding $5 from myself next week. And then we'll see what else the other ladies roll for me. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so, so much for coming back again. Bye, guys.